YouTube? This is Jay Coder back with another stream, and today we're going over the head tag. And so, with the head tag, there's several different tags that go inside the head tag optionally. So, I'm gonna go over those and subscribe to the channel and like this video, comment on this video. Without further ado, let's get started. And so I have Visual Studio Code here, and right now we have the different tags in the comments here where so the head tag defines information about the document, and so each of these tags I'm gonna go over. It says title defines the title of a document. The base defines the default address or a default target for all links on a page. And link defines the relationship between a document and an external resource. Meta defines the metadata about an HTML document. Script defines a, a client side script, and style defines style information for a document. And so, as you can see, we're talking about the head here, and we have this. We could put the style information in it as well, and as an example that's already here is the link tags, and such as this is specifying the style sheet, the styles.css that I have created, and the favicon.ico, which is the website icon. And I'm going to show you different examples of what the can be in the head tag. And so right now I have inside the body, I have a title and an image, and I'm going to show you what that looks like so far. So this is what the website looks like so far, and I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. And then I'm going to put some text here as well so that we can have some filling in there. This site is all about delicious cakes. And I can go ahead just to put some more filler text in here. I'm going to go ahead and put more. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more text in here for an example. And all right. And all right, so I'm actually going to put the picture on the top here. All right. And then this is what our website looks like. All right. And now I'm going to show you some examples of what you can include in the head tag. So, first of all, you can include the title. The title element defines the title of the document. The title must be text only, and it is shown in the browser's title bar on the Pages tab. The title element is required in HTML documents. The content of a page title is very important for search engines. The page title is used by search engine algorithms to provide the order when listing pages in search results. All right, so we're going to put the title here. So the title can actually be the same as our H1 title here. Now, once you put stuff in the body, like the H1 here, this can be seen, but inside the head, this data is not typically seen inside the web page. So even though, I'm putting this, and I can even put this will never be seen on the actual web page, because it's more so for the search engine. And so you will not see actually the actual, you know, title. But don't forget to include the title. It's pretty important. Next is the link. And I already showed you guys that I have a CSS style sheet and a favicon.ico, and the link element defines the relationship between the current document and an external resource. The link tag is most often used to link external style sheets. And so, of course, this is an example of a link. And the next thing is the meta element. The meta element is typically used to specify the character set, page description, keywords, author of the document, and viewport settings. The metadata will not be displayed on the page, but is used by browsers how to display a content or reload page by search engines, keywords, and other web services. And all right, so after that, we have the meta, and I'm going to go ahead and put an example of what, you know, you can put inside meta. And so here's the meta tag. And so, this is an example of, things that you can put in the meta, which is these different things, such as the UTF code defines the character set used, the the description define description of the web page, and that's kind of also for the search engine. And then we have you can put, who the author is, and refresh, and you can put, or yeah, so you can put these things in there, and also you can put keywords, the keywords tag in there as well. And again, these different values, they do not display on the actual page, but more so for the search engine to be able to categorize the actual web page. And then also, you can set the viewport of the meta tag. So the viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. It varies with the device. It will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a computer screen. You should include the following meta element in all your web pages. And this helps the screen to adjust size for different devices. So here is setting to the viewport point to the width, scaling according to the size of the window. And so actually, before we add this, I'm going to comment it out and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to show you that how it looks now. So this is before we set the viewport width to automatically scale. So this is without it. And I'm going to turn it on. And this is what it's gonna look like with it. And so basically, I can adjust the window size and it will adjust according to the window size. And let me show you the behavior of the size adjustment without it. And then, so with that, and so with that, it actually has a similar behavior. Let me check something really quick. Let me do this, that, save. Yeah, it actually has a similar behavior that is doing. So, I mean, that's good. But I would make sure to have it regardless, just in case you need it. These updated browsers may just automatically have that behavior. And so the next thing is the script tag. So the script tag is you can include JavaScript within your actual within your actual head. And so in the head, you can have something like this, which is the JavaScript here. Inside the script tag, the script element is used to define client side JavaScript. And so this is all inside the head tag. And so that's an example of the script. And then there's also something called the base element, which the base element specifies the base URL and or target for all relative URLs in a page. The base tag must have either an href or target attribute present or both. There can only be one single base element in the document. So you can do something like this for an example. And so the base element is going to be that website. And so so what you can do is in the HTML, the base element is a tag used to specify a base URL for all relative links within a document, essentially setting a starting point for resolving relative URLs within the web page, and it must be placed within the head section of the HTML code. And all right, and you may not need to use um, the base tag that much. So, but I just wanted to show you guys that that's the correct place to set it. And yeah, that's the lesson on the head tag. I hope you guys learned something today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay coding. Peace.